A lot of customers do start out with the Mac Mini in their office. It's a great server, but we can take that one step further. We can offer physical security, dry agent fire suppression, UPS and generator backup. Things that you don't want to worry about when you have the equipment at your location. If you have remote workers working across the country or across the world, most likely you don't have the bandwidth at your facility to facilitate a quick connection to your server. For a low cost, you can place your Mac Mini in a data center with us. It all starts with a cabinet. We can fit 140 Mac Minis in each cabinet. And we've built over a dozen of them in the last 4 years. Right now, our capacity is around 1,500 Mac Minis. We wanted to make sure that we could scale, offer the best possible service and features for the best value. The Mac Minis sit on a sliding chassis, so an engineer can literally pull out a chassis without disturbing anyone, hook up a cart, and resolve any customer issues.
Our Mac Mini Vault brand allows you to put a Mac Mini in the data center and use it as a dedicated server. Cyberlink grew throughout the years after being founded in 1995. We were your traditional internet service provider. And over the years, we evolved, as most hosting companies do. The need for a larger presence in Milwaukee grew. So we decided to build our own data center here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
And Milwaukee has a rich, hardworking culture and tradition.
Hello, this is Allison. How can I help you?
It goes back to companies like Harley or brewing companies like Miller and Pabst. From a technology standpoint, Milwaukee has its benefits. Our Midwest location, which is literally 70 miles from Chicago, reduces our exposure to natural disasters. We get a lot of snow, it gets cold, but statistically, there's low chances of natural disasters where we're located. Our Phoenix location is 1,400 miles from our Milwaukee data center. In Phoenix, we run our own IPs, just like we did in Milwaukee. We run IPv4 and IPv6. We run multiple bandwidth providers, and as we grow in Phoenix, we'll continue to add more. There's over 20 that go into the building already. It allows us to scale just as we can in Milwaukee. We're able to provide customers 2 locations, a great deal of redundancy. They could put a Mac Mini in Milwaukee and a Mac Mini in Phoenix. You have one bill, you have one support team.
Cyberlink's made up of a small group of talented engineers and entrepreneurs and people that have owned their own hosting businesses or are just have that can-do attitude that they're going above and beyond to make sure the customer is always taken care of and that our servers and data centers are always up and running.
I think the main difference is the engineers and the talent that we have. Anybody can host a server. I mean, there's thousands of data centers out there. There's many that even do what we do. But I believe that we do it better because of the people that we have here. If you have a problem, we can quickly diagnose it, get you back online. We keep spare parts on hand. We do a lot of testing. So most of the time, we know what the problem is even before we look at the machine. Our goal is to keep you online.